The world is changing fast. Artificial intelligence is everywhere. ChatGPT is at the forefront of this revolution. It's a powerful tool and it can help you make money. Yes, you read that right. AI isn't just for tech geniuses, it's for everyone. In 2025, we'll see even more incredible advancements in AI. ChatGPT will become smarter and more accessible. This means more opportunities for you to capitalize on its potential. Don't be intimidated. Embrace the change. Your AI sidekick. Imagine having a conversation with a super smart computer, one that understands your questions and provides thoughtful responses. That's ChatGPT in a nutshell. It's an advanced AI developed by OpenAI. It's like texting, but instead of a human, you're talking to an AI. This AI can understand context and provide relevant answers. You ask questions and it gives you answers. Whether it's a simple query or a complex problem, ChatGPT is there to help. You give it prompts and it writes stories, poems, even code. It's like having a creative partner at your fingertips. But ChatGPT is more than just a chatbot. It's a versatile tool that can assist in various fields. It's a powerful tool that can help you with almost any task. It can translate languages, making communication across borders easier. Write different kinds of creative content, from blog posts to marketing copy, helping you generate ideas and content effortlessly, and answer your questions in an informative way. Whether you're researching a topic or need quick information, ChatGPT is your go-to assistant. More and more people are making money online. The digital landscape is evolving rapidly and opportunities are everywhere. It's the new gold rush. Just like the pioneers of the past, today's digital entrepreneurs are striking it rich. And guess what? ChatGPT can help you strike gold too. This powerful AI tool is revolutionizing the way we work and create. Whether you're a writer, a marketer, or just someone looking for a side hustle, ChatGPT can be your secret weapon. Imagine having an assistant that never sleeps, always ready to help you brainstorm and execute ideas. How? By automating tasks, boosting your productivity, and even creating new income streams. ChatGPT can handle repetitive tasks, freeing up your time for more creative endeavors. For example, you can use ChatGPT to write website content, create social media posts, and even draft compelling marketing copy, or even develop marketing materials. The possibilities are endless. With ChatGPT, you can unlock new levels of efficiency and creativity, making your online ventures more successful than ever before. Section 4. ChatGPT Cash Creative Ways to Earn in 2025. Let's get specific. Here are some cool ways to make money with ChatGPT in 2025. The digital landscape is evolving, and with it, the opportunities to earn are expanding like never before. First up, the content creation machine. Imagine having a tool that can help you generate high-quality content effortlessly. Use ChatGPT to write blog posts, articles, and even books. Whether you're a seasoned writer or just starting out, this AI can be your co-author, helping you craft compelling narratives and informative pieces. You can sell these online or offer your services as a freelance writer. Platforms like Medium, Substack, and even your own website can become lucrative avenues for your content. Next, become a social media superstar. In the age of digital influence, social media presence is more important than ever. Say goodbye to writer's block. With ChatGPT, you can generate creative and engaging posts that resonate with your audience. ChatGPT can help you create engaging social media posts that will grow your following and attract potential customers. From catchy captions to full-fledged marketing campaigns, the possibilities are endless. And then there's the code-free app builder. Ever had an idea for an app but didn't know where to start? Always dreamed of creating your own app? Now, you don't need to be a coding expert. ChatGPT can help you build simple apps and games even if you don't know how to code. From brainstorming ideas to actual development, this AI can guide you through the process. These are just a few examples. The potential of ChatGPT is vast and limited only by your imagination. With a little creativity, you can find even more ways to use ChatGPT to boost your income. Whether it's through content creation, social media, app development, or other innovative methods, the future of earning is bright and full of possibilities. Section 5. The future is now, your AI-powered journey begins. The future is here, and it's powered by AI. ChatGPT is your ticket to this exciting new world. Don't be afraid to experiment, learn, and grow with this incredible technology. Take the leap and see what you can achieve with ChatGPT in 2025.